Hi everyone, I'm Suardi Amir from Quizizz Indonesia. Let's take a look the next type question of Quizizz, part 2. The next question type is match. This type allows you to engage your student in fun way by having them match question with answers. In this section, simply write the instruction for matching question with answers and below please write the prompts for each response. You can also add images in the prompt section. When completed, click save question, then publish and fill in the details of your quiz. After that, click publish again to conduct it in the class. Click the start now button to set the activity mode and other setting according to your needs and then click start. Provide the game link to your student. After they successfully join, click the start button. Student can answer this match type question by dragging and dropping. If all student answer are correct, click submit as this type of question can be automatically graded by Quizizz. The next question type is drag and drop. This type challenges our student to think critically by using visually interactive drag and drop questions. Creating this question is also quite simple. Just type the question as usual, then to add a blank space, type two underscores, which will automatically create a space for correct answer K. Alternatively, you can click the blank button to write the answer K. When finished, click save question, then publish and complete the details of quiz. Click publish again to conduct it in class. Click start now. Set the activity modes and other setting according to your needs, and then click start. Share the game link with your students. After they successfully join, click the start button. For drag and drop questions, students simply need to move the word they believe it fit the corresponding terms. Once they are correct, they should click submit to send their answer to the teacher. The next question type is hotspot. You may ask your student to identify what they know. For example, you can use this hotspot to pinpoint cities on a map or identify organs in the human body. To create question of this type, teacher must find or upload an image to which they will add hotspot points. Type the keyword you want to search for and click search. Once the images appear, select one, or you can choose to upload an image from your device. Let's try searching on Google and select this image. Then click use image. Next, manually define the instruction or question, or you can use some pre-made questions generated automatically by AI in this section. For example, if I choose one of instruction created by Quizizz AI, click use. Then select the desired hotspot type, which can be a point, rectangle, or polygon. Don't forget to click correct as the correct answer K. You can also create additional hotspot as a detectors. When finished, click save question, then publish, and complete the details of quiz. Click publish again to conduct it in class. Click start now, set the activity mode and other setting according to your needs, and then click start. Share the game link with your students. After they successfully join, click the start button. Students simply select the hotspot points they believe are correct. Once selected, they should click submit, and if the answers are correct, your student will automatically earn points. The next question type is categorize. Assesses your student ability to categorize concepts or items into appropriate groups. This is an effective way to test student knowledge of categorization and their ability to organize information into meaningful groups. At the top, you will enter the instruction. In this section, you can select at least two category names, and below are the answer options for each category name you entered. For example, like this. When finished, click Save button, then Publish, and complete the details of your quiz. Click Publish again to conduct in class. Click Start now, set the activity mode and other setting according to your needs, and then click Start. Share the game link with your student. After they successfully join, click the Start button. In this section, student will select option to categorize according to what they believe is correct. Once completed, student can click the Submit button. The next question type is Reorder. Reorder allows your student to arrange words to form a sentence. Reorder even in a story or short countries from largest to smallest, among others. To use this, fill in the instructions, then write the correct arrangement of words or sentences based on the given numbers. You can choose either ascending or descending order. When finished, click Save Question, then Publish, and complete the details of your quiz. Click Publish again to conduct in the class. Click Start now, set the activity mode and other setting according to your needs, and then click start. Share the game link with your students. After they successfully join, click the start button. In this section, students simply needs to move the option from top to the bottom based on the correct order. Once everything has moved, click submit. To end the game, click the exit button above. The next question type is drop down. This type is similar to fill in the blanks but even easier. A student can select answer from the option provided by the teacher. To create this, write your question to create the answer column. Then click the blank button and enter the answer key. To make it easier for you to create other answer option considered incorrect, use the Quizizz AI feature available. When finished, click Save Question and then Publish and complete the details of your quiz. Click Publish again to conduct in class. Click Start Now, set the activity mode and other setting according to your needs and click Start. Share the game link with your student. After they successfully join, click the Start button. Students simply select the available answer options. If they feel their answers are correct, they should click Submit. The next question type is labeling. This type allows you to add labels to image. Upload an image or search for an image you want to use. Ensure that the image is relevant to the question you will create. For instance, if you are creating a quiz about geography, you can use a map as the image. After uploading the image, you will see the option to add labels. Click on the part of the image where you want to add the label. For example, if you're using a map, you can add label for important cities. Type the appropriate name of term for each label you add. For example, Jakarta, Bali, or Surabaya. Ensure that the labels are clear and easily understood by the students. If your question has a correct answer, be sure to mark it. This will help the system accurately evaluate the participant answers. Once finished, click Save button, then Publish, and complete the detail of your quiz. Click Publish again to conduct in the class. Click Start Now, set the activity mode and other setting according to your needs, and then click Start. Share the game link with your student. After they successfully join, click Start button. In this section, students simply drag and drop the available labels according to the provided image. Once everything has moved, click Submit, and your student answer will be automatically graded by Quizizz. The next question feature is especially for you math teacher and those in related fields. The math response feature allows your student to answer questions using numbers, operators, fractions, exponent, and more. Teacher just need to enter the instruction and don't forget to input the answer key. Then, student can answer using numbers, operators, fractions, exponent, and more. If you want your student to upload their answer as images, enable the Show Your Work button. Once finished, click Save button, then Publish, and complete the detail of your quiz. Click Publish again to conduct in class. Click Start Now, set the activity modes and other setting according to your needs, and then click Start. Share the gambling with your student. After they successfully join, click the Start button. In this section, students simply enter their answer to the teacher's question according to the instruction and the correct answer. The next question type is graphing. The graphing feature allows students to create graphs from data or mathematical function directly. To create the question, the teacher just needs to specify whether it is for linear, quadratic, exponential, or points. After that, define the instruction or question, and in the graph section, specify the correct answer key. Once finished, click Save Question, then Publish, and complete the detail of your quiz. Click Publish again to conduct in class. Click Start Now, set the activity modes and other settings according to your needs, and then click Start. Share the game link with your student. After they successfully join, click the Start button. Students simply select or determine the point where the correct answer should be. After that, click Submit. That's all the explanation of type question of Quizizz. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.